Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you are doing well. And today we are going to discuss about associate degree program for the third semester of English literature. And today I'm going to discuss about the solved MCQs of narrative fiction, The Three Strangers by Thomas Hardy. And the first MCQs, Thomas Hardy is able to set an air of mystery from the start of his story, Three Strangers, in all of these ways except the option A with the weather, number B with the setting, and the C option with the time of day, number D option with the party. And the correct answer for this MCQ is C with the time of day. The second one, how does the second stranger convey his occupation to the party goers in the Three Strangers? Option A, he ignores their question. Option B, by singing about it. Option C, by writing it, and the D option by yelling it out loud. The correct option for this question is B, by singing about it. And the question number 3, what is it about the third stranger's behavior that strikes the household as odd in the Three Strangers? Option A, he is terrified. Option B, he is drunk. Option C, he is laughing hysterically. Option D, he comes in and falls asleep. The correct option is A, he is terrified. The next question is 4. What is the setting of the story? Option A, a cottage in the country. Option B, a house in town. Option C, an inn. And the last option is a castle. The correct option for this question is a cottage in the country. And the question number 5 is, what is the occasion for the celebration going on at the beginning of the story? The option A, the birthday party. Number B, a christening. Number C, a harvest celebration. Option D, a wedding. The correct option is a birthday party. The next question is number 6. Weather is often foreshadowing. What is the weather like at the beginning of the story? Option A, cold but sunny. Option B, warm and sunny. Option C, snowy. And option D, windy and rainy. The correct option for this question is D, windy and rainy. Number 7, what was given to the first stranger in welcome to the party? Option A, meat. Option B, clothes. Option C, pipe. Option D, handshake. And the correct option for this question is meat. Option A is the correct answer. And the 8th MCQ, what was given to the second stranger to welcome him to the party? Option A, meat. Option B, clothes. Option C, pipe. And the next option, handshake. The correct option for this MCQ is A, meat. The next question is number 9. What was occupation of the second stranger? Option A, shepherd. Option B, executioner. Option C, constable. Option D, none of these. The correct option for this question is option B, executioner. And the next one, what had been stolen? And you know that the story that's entitled The Three Strangers by Thomas Hardy, and in which the 4 options are given. Number A, gold. Number B, jewels. Number C, horse. And number D, sheep. The correct option for this question is D, sheep. The next question is number 11. Who do the guests think the third stranger is? Number A, escaped prisoner. Number B, the parson. Number C, traveling salesman. Number D, Santa Claus. And the correct option is A, escaped prisoner. And the number 12 is, which of the 2 strangers are related? Number A, first and second. Number B, first and third. Number C, 2 and 3. Number D, none. The correct option for this, number B, first and the third stranger. And the next question is 13. At the end of the story, the people are angry and live in fear when the first stranger is never found. Option A, true. Option B, false. So it is asked about the statement that is it true or false, and the correct option for this thing is option B, false. And the next question is, what is the name of the place where the party takes place? Number A, a small cottage named Shepherd's House. Number B, a cottage named High Cross Stairs. Number C, Christmas House. And number D, all of these. And the correct option for this question is a cottage named Higher Crow Stairs, the option B. And the last one, a story entitled The Three Strangers, written by a Victorian novelist. Option number A, D.G. Rossity. Number B, William Wordsworth. Number C, Coleridge, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. And number D is Thomas Hardy. The correct option for this MCQ is option D, Thomas Hardy. So these are all about The Three Strangers by Thomas Hardy, that is in your syllabus for associate degree program for the third semester in English literature. And thanks for watching.